Good afternoon to all of you. Sorry, I apologize for because I'm not good in Hindi. You please excuse me for the same. Anyway, I wish you a very happy New Year. This New Year should bring a change in Delhi, and I hope we all will help us to bring a Congress government here. With your communication skill, whatever we promised, Congress has delivered in its history. Congress strength is country's strength. Congress history is country's history. So whatever Congress has promised, have delivered, we are going to deliver. I am here as a president of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee and the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka to launch very loud program. 100 years back, Mahatma Gandhi ji took over as the Congress president in 1924 on 26 December. So 100 years we just celebrated. In the same place, we, myself, Mr. Siddaramaiah and all our leaders went to that well. There is a well called Gandhi well. It is called Gandhi well. It is Sarovara named as. So we took out a water from that well and we split it in the streets of Belgaum. Watch the streets as we watch the state from 30, whatever the BJP government had given to us. Now on the same day, we start launching our 5 guarantee programs. First we launched this Gruha Jyoti, lighting the lamp where all the families' houses has to be lit. The second, we decided to launch Gruha Lakshmi. Srimati Priyanka Gandhi, granddaughter of Indira Gandhi, was being invited. She came to launch.